Guys, today practical is RS flip-flop using NOR and NAND gate. The RS reset and set, the flip-flop is the simplest flip-flop of all and easiest to understand. It is a basically device which has the two outputs, one output being the inverse or complement of other and two inputs. Now, RS flip-flop using NOR gate IC7402, here using two NOR gates. Input is pin number 2 R, pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 4 and pin number 1 is connected to the pin number 5 and the input is S and the output is 2 here. Pin number 1 is output Q and pin number 4 is output Q bar. This is a truth table of the circuit. See here, R and S both are 0, 0. Output is last state, action is no change. Now here again, R is 0, S is 1, output is 1 and action is set. Now interchange the input, R is 1 and S is 0, output is 0 and action is reset. Both are 1, 1, Q output is forbidden and circuit action is raised. And this is your objection table. The IC 7402. Now see the IC, here the notch is there. Now we connect it like this here. Okay. Now the pin number 14 is VCC again. And pin number 7 is ground. Now see the circuits. Pin number 3 to 4 we are connecting. One bubble is here. Pin number 3 to 4. This is 3 to 4. And pin number 1 to 5 we are connected here. Pin number 1 to 5. Pin number 1 to 5 we are connecting here. Okay. Now see here properly. This is the pin number output of the circuit. See here pin number 1. Pin number 1 going to your up now. Output of the circuits Q. Okay. Now we are connecting here one resistor. This resistor is 330 ohm. We are connecting in series. And this is your LED, anode and cathode. Cathode going to down. Okay. Now the next circuit is again the output is pin number 4. We are connected here. Pin number 4. Okay. Pin number 4. Up. This is going to up now. And this is output of the circuit. We are connected here. And this is your resistor again, 330 ohm resistor. Again connected in series. And this is your again the anode and cathode. Cathode is down. Okay, two inputs are there. Pin number 2 and the pin number 6. Both are we are connecting in 0, 0. We are connecting the power supply. Red is here and black is down. Okay. Apply here. Now see here. Both are 0, 0. This is R and this is S. Both are 0, 0. See the objection tables. Both are 0, 0. There is a two outputs Q and Q bar. Now here Q is on. Here action is no change. Okay. Now the R is 0 and S is 1. Okay. R is 0 and S is 1. Okay. Output is again Q is 1. Q is 1 and action is set and Q bar is 0. Interchange the inputs S0 and R1. Okay. S0, R1. Now see here. Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is 1 and action is reset and both are 1, 1. Both are 1, 1. Output is 0, 0 and action is raise. Next practical is RS flip-flop using NAND gate. IC7400. Here using two NAND gates are there. Input is pin number 1 and input is S pin number 5. Now your connection is pin number 2 is connected to the pin number 6 and pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 4. Here two outputs are there. Pin number 3 is Q and pin number 6 is Q bar. This is the truth table of the circuits. R and S both are 0, 0. Output is forbidden. Action is raise. And R0, S1, output is 1. Action is set. R is 1, S is 0. Output is 0. Action is reset. Both are 1, 1. The last state and no change. This is the objection of the table. Next I see 7400. Now you connect like this here. See here properly. Okay. Pin number 14 is again the VCC and pin number 7 is ground. We indicated black color of the wire. Okay. Now see the pin number 2 and 3. We are using one bubble. Small yellow color of the wires here. 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. And pin number 2 and 6 we are connecting like this. 2 and 6. Okay. Now the output of the circuit is pin number 3. Pin number 3, the output of the circuits. Okay. This is going to up now. And here we are connected here properly. Okay. And this is your resistor 330 ohm connecting in series, and LED anode and cathode we are connecting here like this. Okay. Next output is Q bar is pin number 6 and this is your pin number 6. Okay. This is your pin number 6. Pin number 6. Okay. Now see here properly. And again this is the output. Circuit is a resistor 330 ohm we are connecting in series. And the LED again, this is long is anode, short is cathode. We are connecting like this. Now we are connecting two inputs are there. First is pin number 1 and second is pin number 5. Both are connecting in 0, 0. See the objection table on the circuit. See R and S 0, 0. Q and Q bar is 1, 1. Action is raise. Okay. Now the next condition is R is 0, S is 5, R is 0 and S is 5. Q is equal to your 1 and Q bar is 0. Action is set. Now interchange the inputs. S is 0 and R is 1. Okay. R is 5, S is 0. The Q is equal to 0 and Q bar is 1. And circuit action is reset and both are 1, 1. Both are 1, 1. Now see there is Q is equal to again 0 and Q bar is 1 and this is no change. Here I end my video. Hope that you like it. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. See you next time.